Leekautorepair. So I don't know if this is gonna be a little rant or whatever, but it was a couple comments people left me. You know, you saw on the live stream me taking out an engine on its BMW. A few people, you know, couldn't believe that I had to, you know, I took it out from the bottom. Some said you shouldn't have taken it out from the bottom. And this video is pretty much how to make the proper judgment call if you should take the engine out from the top or from the bottom. Now, it all depends on the engine, the size, the type of car you have, whether if you got access. Like for instance, the reason why I took it out from the bottom, because taking it out from the front would be a whole lot of work to do. I know it's kind of far away, not zoomed or whatever, but I probably would have had to take this off, probably would have had to take the bumper off, of course the radiator. It would have been a whole lot of work, definitely, and trying to access the bell housing bolts for that where it mounts up to the engine and transmission, those bolts. That's a pain in the rear to try to access from right here, from the top, and even from the bottom, because the engine don't really hang down once you take off the mount for the transmission. That was my protocol. That's something. That's a judgment call. I make that call because I've done a plenty. I was going to curse. I've done a crap load of engines and transmission jobs. We got like a pile of engines and transmissions over here. Probably like 10, 15 engines. Probably like 10 engines, whatever. But it all depends. It all depends. Now this engine, this is my next engine job I got on the 2005 Cadillac SRX, and this is, I think, the 4.6 motor. It's not a 3.6. It's definitely a V8, the North Star crap or whatever. But even on that one, I'll be taking it out the engine from the bottom because, you know, trying to just, and not all the time you can take out engines, you know, from the top. Now I don't know if you can see right behind me, but let's go over to this this Honda Civic right here. So this Civic, I definitely would do this. I would take the engine out from the top because you got plenty of room. Or this POS, you know, Grand Prix, you can take it out from the top as well. Let's go this Crown Victoria right here. Let's go to check out the engine. Look at this. You got plenty of room to pull this out from the top. I've seen it done plenty of times. It can be done. This Acura right here. See this right here? This engine can be taken out from the top. It's all about making your life a whole lot easier, Now this Lexus, I can't really film on this, but it is what it is. That's just all I wanted to talk to y'all about. You know, just making a judgment call. Why I did what I did. Why I took the engine out from the bottom. That's just me. Now, if you want to be that guy, take it out from the front. Go for it. Just don't cry when you got a lot of work to do. I'm just saying, it was easier to take out the whole powertrain. That way I have everything right there. Everything can be accessed. I can bam, bam, take what off. Whatever, put it back on, put the whole thing in as a unit. Now, only thing I got left to do is the suspension, exhaust, the drive shaft, and put back on every last single connectors and hoses and stuff. That's the only thing I had to do. Everything else is pretty much tightened. Now, like I said, whatever, what do you do, your style, whatever, that's up to you. You wrong. There's a lot of people on YouTube always going to be pointing out if I done something wrong or dislike my video. It is what it is. You are you, and I ain't me, and I'm here for a reason, and you aware for that reason as well. I'm not trying to play you. I'm just saying people just sometimes need to know where they stand at in the food chain or whatever. So it's just better to be the guy to actually do it rather than to sit back and watch and then make your own suggestions on what you would do, but you're not in that situation. I am. So my next engine job, like I said, I'm going to be pulling it out from the bottom. I am not going to be pulling that out from the top because, like I said, I don't want to be removing so much stuff, and I want to be able to access things. I want to be able to get the things. If I can't reach a certain bolt or whatever to take off because I don't have any room, it's coming out. Now, you can follow directions, all data, Mitchell, Identifix, whatever it is you use, or the dealership information. Listen, always follow their protocol, always follow their procedure, their steps. They tell you to take it out from the top, take it out from the top. They tell you to take it out from the bottom, they tell you to take it out from the bottom. Some cars you ain't gonna get with removal or installation information. In cars like this, I couldn't really get anything. But I did it my own way. Now I've seen a video where one person tore the whole front end up to slide the engine out. I'm not doing that. It was easier to take off the subframe bolts and then lower it down, and that was that. So I'm good. I didn't cry about getting it in and out. I done it one man by myself, me coming out and going back in. So it is what it is. So I'm going to be doing part 3. I'm going to figure out the topic depending on what type of comments I get. Part 3 on the Cadillac SRX motor. And yeah, just going to fill you in with some more. Probably go on another rant and people leave more comments or give you some more good information to go off. So let me know your style. Why you take it out from the bottom? Why you take it out from the top? Whatever way you want. You want to leave the transmission in there, whatever. Let me know what you do. So make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe and be sure to look out for part 3.